there's always a better way to operate businesses. And I'm fortunate to have really successful real estate friends and business owners, right? So all my friends are very entrepreneurial. Sometimes I catch myself looking at them like, God, what are they doing differently than I am? But it's a blessing to have so many smart friends around you. I have guys that are buying $60 million apartment complexes that I'm friends with, and they syndicate the deals, they raise the money. I have other friends that are just high-level fix and flippers. I have friends that are, wholesaling hundreds of properties a year. So I get a good look. And what I've gotten really good at doing is really like reverse it, putting deals together. If I really look at my career over 24 years, I've put hundreds of millions of dollars of deals together. I've been I'm a licensed real estate broker since I was a licensed real estate agent since 2001, I believe, a broker since 2007. I've been around the block. I have the skill sets, right? Because when you're on the financing side, you really get to see how deals are structured and how to get deals done. So people come to me, like I have a very experienced builder. He's built over 2,000 homes, and he got pissed off at banks. And he's like, hey, can you get these deals done? I just did like 8 or 9 deals for him, 2 construction loans, a bunch of refinances. He doesn't want to deal with it. So I give people good pricing, right? I don't ever overcharge people. I give them good pricing and really good advice. Let's structure it this way because, let's not go into a DSCR loan and go into a 5-year prepay or a 3-year prepay. Rates are going to come down. I put them in a 2-year bridge loan, get them a good rate, no prepay, so they can refinance on the exit. So giving people good advice is critical. I just helped a guy buy an old car dealership. He wanted to start a new business. So he's buying this building, and then he needed some working capital. He's selling electric vehicles. So his business is going to be selling resale used electric vehicles. And I just did about a $3.9 million deal for him. So I taught myself how to do SBA financing. So I do SBA 7A, 504. I work with banks and non-bank SBA lenders, self-storage. Right now I'm working on a marina. We're funding a marina. And actually what I've really learned to do is so on this marina, they need some equity for the deal to make it work because he's a little bit short of the down payment. So I'm going to put up about 100 grand with a partner, and we're going to own a portion of this marina. So now I'm seeing all these good deals, right? And the light bulb goes off. It's like, why don't I own a little piece of all these businesses that come? I've got a lot of people with money. I can vet the deals with some of my partners and then just go in and own portions of businesses and not have to go on and guarantee the loans.